I just got in from Brooklyn City. After, excuse me.
You're good, buddy.
I gotta take this out today. That's the one that I need to repair.
The one up there?
Yeah, this one.
Okay. This one runs?
Yeah, this one runs fine.
You know I'm pulling this one out. Is it okay if I just still cut just a little path for me to drive on?
Yeah.
Cool, cool. Thank you. So you had that one for 2 years and this one got parked and sat here?
Yeah, because it just keeps surging.
Okay.
And then to find somebody like you.
Good chance if it's been sitting for 2 years, it's gonna need a battery. Right now we're testing to see if your starter solenoid is working, which I'm getting 12 volts to it, which is good, and you can hear it clicking, but I'm not getting 12 volts through it. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I know something.
Okay. It's probably intermittently failing the contact inside.
Because it did that before.
Okay. We got ground, we got hot. We're going to replace the solenoid. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. I'm inclined to agree with you, my friend.
Most of my customers, they just lose me.
New solenoid is on. Plug it back up. Hook up our negative. And then theoretically, it should turn over. Okay. Somebody's been in here in the past.
Yeah, I did.
You did?
I like you, I did. There's no water in there. Comment. You know, you go up, you seal the box and you leave it in a hole. And I was like, the battery alone is a
Couple $100.
right.
Yep, believe me, I get it. I do all Milwaukee stuff, so batteries are more expensive than.
Yeah, the two.
Yes, usually they are.
I prefer Milwaukee.
Do ya?
I'm not gonna like you.
My man. I film while I go, so I post videos and stuff of this.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I do. So I have like a TikTok and a Facebook page and.
On a Facebook page.
Yep.
Okay, because I look at a lot of videos. I like people who are professional, man.
Yeah, yep. So I film all this stuff as I go.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm already working. I'm already doing the job. Why not film it and post it and get paid for the film?
Yeah, it's a fucking interesting. You just in love with that.
Yeah.
Get it right. I know it just keeps it. I was just frustrated, man. So it's cheap. And he sends me a bill every so often, at the end of the month.
Mm-hmm.
But that's how come I ended up buying this. I had the harsh one at first, but then when I brought it, it was smoking, so I sent that back. I have some auto small engine I need service, but that's it. thing, so I was trying to hide it from
idle, I think. Nice.
Yeah, I got a new thing. I need the job finished faster. It says with that, and by the time he's finished, it's working well.
Hopefully I can do that for you.
Yeah, I told him that's a gift, bro. That's your gift.
Crazy thing is, it didn't look terrible. Definitely some crap in it, but it didn't look horrible. Do what?
How come that crud and stuff get faster quicker?
This crud right here is bad gas sitting inside the carburetor over time.
Okay.
It's not crap that's coming from your fuel tank usually. This is crap that gets left behind from ethanol.
The advisable thing is to do
Run all the gas out, and run non-ethanol.
Okay.
Run non-ethanol fuel. Ethanol is hard on these things.
Yes. I know one of the blowers only runs when the choke is on. And I know that's a problem.
Yes, that is a problem. If your machine is surging, I just pulled it all off because if I have it off, I might as well clean it all. This right here is where your problem usually is. This is where your idle jets are.
I'm going to be touching them.
Can you do me a favor and move the throttle up and down? Okay, cool. Good. Test it out. You want to turn it over for me? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I mean, I could sharpen them, but I'd be sharpening the wrong side because these are on. I think all of them are on upside down. They are. Every single one of them. They're on upside down.
What would it be to put them right?
I won't charge you anything. I'll pull it up on a lift and I'll flip them over. Are you kidding me? That's the easiest fix of my life. I'm going to air up your tires because they are extremely low.
And seal.
A lot of people, when they go and change the blades on these things, they'll pull the deck off and flip it over, and so they'll put the blades right side up.
Hello.
Oh, hi, how are you?
I'm okay. I'm Ivy.
You Ivy?
Uh-huh.
Very nice to meet you. I'm Griffin.
Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
Okay.
I should have prefaced, I do charge the card fee on the card, which is 3.5%.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No problem. It is what it is. Just didn't have $330 in the house.
I gotcha. It's $343.
You have a card?
A business card?
Uh-huh.
Absolutely. You kidding me?
So give us it when we need you.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't even come outside to use it.